Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got another awesome creation for you all to check out by RK Watch Design. This guy always does great work on watch faces. This is a nice casual dress down watch face that's geared toward fitness. With that being said, let's go ahead. Let's check this watch. Now, the name of the watch face is called RK110, and I like the layout of the information that's on this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, I really like this slick look. You're going to get your digital time at a glance with no problem. But once you turn the watch face on, here's what you're going to be greeted with. Up at the top, you are going to get your battery info, dead center, and you come down, you're going to get your year. In the middle, you're going to get your date, you're going to get the month. I thought that was a pretty slick look and how he designed that, but you're going to get your days of the week as well. Now, here, you're going to get info on floors climbed, your steps, and if you look, 26,000 steps, my job had me humping. But you go over to the right, you get your heart rate information. You're gonna come down, you're gonna also get calories burned. You're gonna get your digital time, whether it's 12 hours or 24 hours. And over to the left, you're gonna get your distance, miles walked or ran, and your speed. So for fitness, this is definitely a perfect watch face to download, to put in your archives. And with that being said, look around the bezel of the watch. Now you got shortcuts. To make the watch face just that much more convenient, you're going to get your weather over to the left along with your music player so you can play on your run. Also, you're going to be able to make a phone call over to the right and get your text messages. You come down, you will get your email, your gallery. You can go in and check out your pictures, show family and friends. Over to the left, you're going to be able to get your settings and your contacts. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if you tap on contact, you can go in, you can make a phone call if you want to. Also, if I need to go into my gallery, check out some pictures, I can. And I thought that was nice. That way, whatever you need to get to, you can get to with ease, not a problem. But what I really like about the watch face also is that it has a gyroscope. So when you move your wrist a certain way, it's going to close, then it'll open. When it closes, you see a different design. I thought that was an awesome look for such a casual watch face. Not a bad look at all. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please don't leave before you hit the like button because it does help the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. Many people are not getting a notification. So therefore, you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And with that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.